Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the security tricks on the ULEFONE Armor X12. Okay, so let's begin. First let's open up the settings, scroll down, and let's begin with the setting up the lock screen, because that's the key of our security level. So select the password right in here, click on the screen lock, and we have three modes that we can use. It can be pattern, pin, or the password. I'll show you an example of the pattern. As you can see, we have those 9 dots, and to create a pattern we need to connect at least 4 of them. So create a pattern. If you want to try again, click on clear. If you want to save, click next. Now redraw your pattern. To save it, click on confirm, and now it has been successfully set. Now let me show you how it works. So let's turn off the screen, and now slide to the upside, and now we need to draw our pattern to unlock our device. Everything works just fine. Now let's go back into the settings. We can go back. Also, it's good from time to time to click on Google Play Protect to see if do we have some harmful apps. We can also manually click on to perform the scan to see if there's something to do. Okay, it's still going, so we need to wait until it's finished. Okay, no harmful apps found. Good to hear. No more thing that we need to do. Okay, let's close it up, back into the settings. Also, we can enable Find My Device. It is a really useful feature. Make sure it's enabled. And thanks to that, for example, when someone will steal our device, we will be able to remotely find it using the app. We can also remotely secure the lock screen. I mean, we can turn the screen off. And the next thing that the thief will have to do is to guess our screen lock, or we can even remotely secure, factory reset our device. To do it, we need to click on Find My Device web. We need to do it on another device, of course, if that one will be stolen. And now we need to wait. We need to click on continue, and also we need to be logged into the same Google account on which we are logged in on our Armor. So it is really important to know about it. Click on continue. Okay, you can click allow, and in here we have our ULEFONE Armor. And when you click on that, you can secure device remotely, just like I was talking about. So ULEFONE Armor will be locked with its PIN, pattern, or password. If device doesn't have a screen lock, you can set one. You'll be signed out of Google account on the device. After the device is secured, you can still locate it. Payment cards will be removed from your Google Wallet. Then simply click on continue, and then you will need to sign into your Google account to secure your device. And the next thing, just like I was talking, is factory reset. We can do this remotely. All data will be erased permanently from ULEFONE Armor X12. So that's how this feature works. Also, if you want to locate your device, it needs to have the location turned on. Okay, now next thing is the security update that we can perform, actually to check if there's something to download, but currently it doesn't want to even pop out. So maybe let's go to Google Play. System update. If it's available, just like in my case, simply click on download and install. I won't do it right now because I have other things to show you. Oh, something locked in. Okay, now the security update wants to open. In my case, everything is up to date, so I don't need to download anything. If you have the possibility, you can download it. Okay. Now the Google Play system update, just like I was talking about. To download, simply click this button. Okay. We also have the more security settings in here. We have the smart lock. First we need to draw the pattern. Click on got it. In here you can read how it works. So the smart lock can recognize when your device is being carried, you're near home or any trusted places, your watch or another trusted device is nearby. So the smart lock keeps this device unlocked when it's with you. Sometimes it can turn against you, this mode, because let's say that you are near home or any other trusted places, and in that place, for example, near your home on the street, you will get robbed and someone will steal your device, it will be unlocked, so that's pretty bad. So you're doing it on your own. For me, it's not like a game changer, so I won't do it. Also, we have the Android safe browsing, also pretty cool, and it will simply give us the notifications when we are using on the internet. It will alert us about potential threats. But if you want to use it, you need to have supported apps. In my case, there was no any. I don't know why. Okay, also, if you want, you can always download some third-party apps that can look for viruses and keep them out of your device. An example of the app is, for example, the Avast. That's the antivirus app. You can download it from the Play Store. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.